Hey everyone, in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Google Gemini. But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Digital Nomads community. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on this use microphone command. I'm gonna click on the allow this time. Then I'm gonna say, hi Google Gemini, I want you to create for me a YouTube thumbnail in which I'm teaching people how they can use Google Gemini to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Thanks. Then you click submit. Then you are going to wait for a few seconds until Google Gemini will create a YouTube thumbnail for you, okay? So we're gonna wait for a few seconds. And as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can use Google Gemini to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in a few simple clicks. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Digital Nomad channel. Thanks for watching.